Hello guys, this is Progressive speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. And to our old subscribers, thank you for remaining intact, and I believe you are learning positive trading strategies as unveiled by Progressive. Stay tuned as I will be updating the channel consistently from now on. On my promise to accommodate amateur traders or new traders or entirely new people who tend to invest in Forex, I've been working on some certain content which I tend to be posting often in due time, because it has to do with teaching, and in order to make it brief, I've been making an effort to pick the vital content which the viewers needs to know while learning Forex or making effort to invest in Forex, so that you won't find it difficult to have much time to watch the videos. But I recommend that when I will start posting those videos, if you are learning Forex new or you want to advance your knowledge and what to know about basic Forex till at least intermediate level, you have to save the videos if you don't have time to watch it, and watch it later. Put it in your watch later queue. So, but my point is, I'm trying to make effort to make them as short as possible, so that it won't take much time to watch. My point is that I'm trying to make the video very short, so that when you watch it, what you will have to use 1 hour time, 2 hours time to learn, you will learn it in few minutes. And of course, I am making effort to stipulate those vital contents in those videos. So potential traders, amateur traders, those that tend to advance their knowledge, stay tuned as I will commence the upload soonest. So there is something that appeared on Gold USD that I want to briefly or quickly bring to you with regards to this tomorrow 5th of March fundamental trading, because possibly a lot of people are warming up to make money tomorrow in the market with their fundamental strategies. So here there is something I want to show you. When you look at this chart, let me widen it now. I believe you can see the candlesticks clearly. The market, the gold market, as you can see, has been downtrending for a long time now, and of course it will continue downtrending. But there is something that will happen here before it will continue selling, and that thing is that gold have developed a very powerful retracement mark divergence. When you hear mark divergence, of course I will, in the future videos, I will shed more light on this. Even though I have posted, you can watch earlier videos to see what I said about mark divergence. But in this future video, I want to shed more light on mark divergence, how it develops on phone, what it looks like, and how to find it, together with how it looks like on laptop, desktop, and other flash screens, on how to find it, the possible indicators to use, because the best way to avoid mistakes in the forex market is to use multiple trading systems and possibly trading platforms to find the mistakes. Because what is showing on this very broker chart now is not what will be showing in another broker's chart platform or trading platform. The reason is that whatever signal point you are using, for instance, in your trading platform is not the same signal point that another is likely to develop. Sometimes they will develop similar trading platform, and that will tell you that that particular entry point is very powerful. So on this point, you can see the mark divergence here, which I'm going to show you. You can find it in all the trading platforms. This shows that gold is going to powerfully retrace. Very powerful, because it will blow like bomb and retrace up before going down for the month, or possibly retracing further. It might not be this month, I am not being certain. But what I am certain about here is that gold is going to retrace up first. And this is the reason why it will retrace up. Let me adjust the chart to a smaller size so that you will be able to see what I'm going to do. Of course, when I finish doing it, I will adjust it back. So here, let's select trending line. This is how mark divergence used to look like. I have to adjust it a bit. So let's select another one. Watch the previous videos which I posted earlier on how to trade divergence in the market. So, but the future video or potential video which I want to upload is the combination of how to find mark divergence and what it looks like, how to trade it, why using phone, the same why using laptop and desktop. I've said it earlier, so that it will be easier for you to be sure of what you are actually looking for, or be convinced of what you want to trade. So here, you can see the first line, instead of being in the same form like this, for instance, the lines are facing each other in a kind of form. So let me delete this. Every potential and tradable divergence in the market always looks like this. And one thing is that whether about tomorrow being fundamental or not, anytime you see this kind of divergence develop in the market, the movement of the market price used to be very, very massive. That is the implication. And that is what people call fundamental analysis. Most fundamental traders use divergence as indicator or reason for placing convincing buy or sell instead of setting buy stop or sell stop. So that is the differences. So here, today is Thursday, and as you can see, the time is about 22 minutes to 1. with GMT time. So of course it might differ. Of course, not that it might differ, it will differ if you are in East Africa, possibly South Africa, another part of the world, including United States and Canada. So, but West Africa and Europe, as at now, are still using similar time frame. So here is the point. If this movement finally did not occur today, know it that tomorrow's fundamental will finally be the final point for this very expectation, which means by tomorrow the market is going to make a very convincing move. It might even pass this tipping point you can see here, obviously. So it is going to make a very big convincing move, and it's going to be very powerful. But one thing is that divergences is often indicates a retracement instead of reversal. The point is, when you find marked divergence of this kind, for instance, in 4 hours time frame, it simply means that the market is retracing in the daily chart. If you find it the way it is now in 1 hour time frame, it simply means that the market is powerfully retracing, what I call absolute retracement, in the 4 hours time frame. And one thing is that why it retraces in the 4 hours, automatically it will continue downtrending in 4 hours. Let me explain it again. Now that the 4 hours time frame is retracing, the marked divergence is obviously shown in the 1 hour time frame, which means where you find the marked divergence might be a very big reversal option, but where the market is actually retracing has potentials for continuation of downtrend. Let me add this trend line. So obviously you can see where possibly the market might retrace up to. That is, it might not be straight at once, but possibly it might retrace up to this place, which is, from every indication here, might not be today alone. So my point here is, when you find a market retracement, absolute retracement, I used to use it most often whenever I am teaching about this. For if there are retracements, there are absolute retracements. So it might be above this. Sometimes volatile markets can be crazy, but this is just what I know that is going to happen by fact and obvious. So there's no two ways about it. Progress FS is always certain. That's why most of people ask if I can show them how I detect the market. And I used to tell us that it's all about experience, and with time you will develop similar experience if you are committed in learning and of course following up what I am teaching you the way I am teaching you that. So like I stated before, when you find marked divergence in 1 hour time frame, it simply means that the market is powerfully retracing. In the higher time frame, which means if you find this kind of divergence in the daily chart, it simply means that the weekly time frame is retracing massively. If you find it in 1 hour chart, it simply means that the market is retracing massively in the 4 hours time frame. If you find it in 30 minutes, it simply means that the market is retracing massively in the 1 hour time frame. So that is how it is. If this projection, although it is certain, I am not being doubtful about it, but the only thing is that due to the fundamentals that will occur tomorrow, if the market did not make this move with every force now, it means it will occur tomorrow. And even if it moves now, it is very, very tricky if it will reverse by tomorrow. So definitely it will continue moving up during fundamentals tomorrow, or remain static, or do that kind of fluctuations that people used to be confused about. By implication, the market will move up, comes down, and move up again, keep dangling at a point, and the fundamentals, we call it rejection. So that is my point. If it moves today, it simply means that by tomorrow being fundamental, it might not have much impact on gold USD. So guys, take this trading option now and see what happens. Thank Progress FS later. So for those new traders who might not easily understand this, like I promise in Progress FS, those things that the very so-called masters and coaches, teachers, whatsoever is hiding from you is what we review from you here. Again, subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay tuned. Share this video with friends and possibly families to also subscribe and acquire knowledge like you, because currently the world market is approaching online related means of earning money. So it is not a bad option if you escalate a source of income with friends and families. Moreover, new subscribers, especially those new traders who used to ask me some certain questions via inbox or through the comment section, I will make sure that you will have and learn A to Z trading system within this year. It's a promise, and it might take few months though within the year. So subscribe and stay tuned when I start uploading those videos. Definitely you will benefit very much from it. Again, if you need a one-on-one coaching, you can contact me via the comment section, and of course I will reply you on what to do. Moreover, if there is anything you want Progress FS to analyze, or you think that Progress FS omitted, comment in the comment section. If it is a kind of appreciation, also comment in the comment section and appreciate the good work, because I want this Progress FS YouTube Forex community to be an interactive session where people will learn as much as they wish to learn. in forex trading. I will be glad to assist on any point you raise in the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned. Bye for now, and look up for more videos.